Today, we delve into a captivating yet often overlooked chapter of history, the European influence on the African mind. Throughout the annals of time, Europe's quest for power and resources shaped the African continent in profound yet sadistic ways, leaving an indelible mark on its people and their collective consciousness. Join us as we embark on an enlightening journey to understand how Europe's ambitions led to a collision of cultures and the lasting impact it has on the African mind. The first part of this story is what we call the Age of Exploration. Our story begins in the 15th century when European powers, driven by a thirst for wealth and trade, set sail for distant lands. Portugal's Prince Henry the Navigator spearheaded these explorations, sparking a race to discover new routes to lucrative Asian markets. However, unforeseen circumstances diverted their path to Africa, heralding the era of European colonialism. The colonial expansion. As European nations realized the vast potential of Africa, they sought to exploit its resources and establish dominance over its people. The infamous Berlin Conference of 1884 to 1885 divided Africa among European powers, carving arbitrary borders that disregarded cultural, ethnic, and linguistic ties. Colonization ensued, with European powers establishing control and exploiting Africa's vast wealth, including minerals, rubber, and agricultural resources. Cultural and mental subjugation. With colonization came the insidious erosion of African identity and cultural heritage. European powers imposed their language, education systems, and social norms on African societies, systematically dismantling traditional systems and institutions. The African mind was bombarded with the notion of European superiority, and indigenous beliefs and practices were often denigrated, creating a profound sense of inferiority among Africans. Economic exploitation. Europe's economic interest played a pivotal role in the colonization of Africa. The continent became a source of cheap labor and raw materials, fueling Europe's industrial revolution. Europeans set up plantations and mining operations, exploiting African labor to extract valuable resources. This economic subjugation had lasting effects, as generations of Africans were left impoverished and dependent on European powers. Intellectual awakening and resistance. Amidst the struggle for liberation, an intellectual awakening began to stir in Africa. Influenced by movements like Pan-Africanism and Negritude, African intellectuals and leaders emerged, championing African cultural identity and challenging the dominant European narrative. Figures such as Kwame Nkrumah, Patrice Lumumba, and Frantz Fanon rose to prominence, inspiring a generation to reclaim their African heritage and fight for independence. Legacy and moving forward. While Africa eventually regained political independence, the scars of European influence on the African mind remain. Generations of Africans have grappled with the effect of cultural displacement, economic exploitation, and a loss of identity. However, Africa's rich tapestry of cultures and traditions endures, and efforts to restore pride and foster a sense of African unity continue to shape the continent's trajectory. As we conclude our journey through the European influence on the African mind, it is crucial to recognize the complexity and multifaceted nature of this historical phenomenon. The legacy of European colonization on Africa is one that cannot be ignored, as it has shaped the continent's history and continues to impact its present. By acknowledging this shared history, we can foster understanding and work toward a future that embraces Africa's diverse cultures, identities, and aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness of Africa's complex history. Until next time, stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating stories that shape our origin.